Napapanahon umano ang pelikulang Kintsugi dahil sa mga pangyayari at usapin sa ating bansa. Ang pangunahing tema nito ay tungkol sa korupsyon sa pamahalaan na umaabot hanggang sa sangay ng lehislatura. Ipinapakita nito kung paano kaya nagiging manhid ang mga pinuno na handang gumamit ng karahasan para lamang mapanatili ang kapangyarihan. Ayon sa direktor nito na si Roland Sanchez, isang veteranong NBI agent na naging filmmaker, ang Kintsugi ay higit pa sa kwento ng personal na karanasan. Isa raw itong matinding paglalarawan ng korupsyon sa pamahalaang Pilipino.
Ibig sabihin, yung mga peklat natin, yung mga sugat, hindi kailangan itago. Pero yung pelikula, it looks at something bigger. The way yung ating sistema sa gobyerno, yung culture of corruption that seeps deeply into the four corners of the society, yung culture of impunity, kung paano niya pinalalim yung sugat ng mga nasa laylayan ng lipunan.
Kasama sa cast sina Aya Sarmiento at Antea Morpet na gumanap bilang mga biktima, ngunit matatag na kababaihan.
Humans have leveled up to a new wave of consciousness, making it harder for value destroyers and corrupt government officials to masquerade as public servants by stagnating progress and robbing us of our inheritance or potential in life because of greed.
Ang kanilang pagganap ay naging epektibo pagkat ito ay punong-puno ng emosyon. Ang titulong Kintsugi, nahango sa sining ng mga Hapones ng pagsasaayos ng basag na palayok gamit ang ginto, ay nagsisilbing isang metaphor na sa kabila ng mga bitak ng isang sirang sistema, maaaring lumitaw ang katotohanan at katatagan.
Such films awaken our dormant passion, steering us from passivity into action and inspiring us to help create the world we all want to live in. Kintsugi is one such work. My heartfelt thanks to its exceptional writer and director, Roland Sanchez, for bringing this thought-provoking story to life. Like all great storytellers and visionaries, I can see you earning countless awards again and leaving a lasting impact on the world. Whenever accepting a life-changing project, I consider stories with a universal appeal and stories that contribute to improving the lives of many. Due to the advancement of technology, we humans have leveled up to a new wave of consciousness and truth, making it harder for value destroyers and corrupt government officials to masquerade as public servants by stagnating progress and robbing us of our inheritance or potential in life because of greed and abuse of power. Kintsugi is a masterpiece that will help break the wall of lies and injustices we have to face in our daily lives. With that being said, there are parts of this film that have never been witnessed in human history because not all writers have the strength and fortitude to expose these despicable bastards. To my mother, who was here tonight, you were the first to teach me how to be accountable for all my actions and how to turn every wound into gold. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. Thank you for my Auntie Chuck and Auntie Lida for being here tonight and Gordon me as well. Thank you to my mentor Z for shaping me to speak my truth and for teaching me the power of my voice. I want to acknowledge every cast of this film who has invested their blood, sweat, and tears with every inch of their souls. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Mama G, Lisa, June, Roland, Aya, who couldn't be here tonight due to her busy schedule, Bella, John, James, and award-winning DOP Gilbert Obispo, Chantal, Victor, Giovanni Valdeseri, Miss Lara. Thank you so much, and Monica, and one of our executive producers, Miss Manel. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat din kay Hans Copilla for my Filipiniana tonight. This masterpiece not only embodies elegance, but also radiates the strength and confidence of a Filipina heart. Thank you all for being here today.
Thank you.